Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn of Food Etc. Today we are going to make my very own recipe, special palabok. This is totally different from whatever is the usual stuff. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you, and let's go started. First we have 284 grams shrimps. This is fully cooked. This will cut down our cooking time for our ingredients. Next, we have cut up calamari. This is around 100 grams. We have 1 hard-boiled egg, 2 cups water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We will mix this for later. 5 garlic cloves, finely chopped or minced. 1 green onion, chopped. Lemon wedges. The ordinary Palabok recipe are using rice noodles. I am using the Japanese style udon noodles, so I will be using at least 3 packages of this. And that's perfect for 2 serving. The thing I'm using, I don't use annatto for coloring. I am using the crab paste. This, you can buy this in international Asian grocery store, and this is a product of Thailand. So this is crab paste, and I don't need food coloring or annatto coloring. And this is what I use. We're gonna use at least maybe 2 tablespoons of this. This is in soybean oil. And we are going to need half of this 70-gram chicharron or pork rind. We're going to crush it. 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt. First thing first, we are going to boil our udon noodles. So we're going to boil this for 5 minutes. This is the water, by the way, is salted water, and the water is around 6 cups and around 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So let's boil this for 5 minutes. We're going to crush our pork rind into tiny little bits of pieces. Let's check out our noodles. We just tried to separate them. Okay, still not done boiling for 5 minutes. We still have 2 minutes to go. So we're just going to separate them right there. So now after 5 minutes, we're just going to turn off the heat. Don't take it out from the pan yet or drain it. Just leave it like that. Okay, so it will keep it nice and warm. Now we can go ahead and cook our sauce. So in a preheated pan, we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so we can add in our minced garlic. Okay, we're going to saute this until golden brown, and then we'll take it out. Once it's golden brown, we can take out some of it to save it for garnish later. Okay, just add in 2 tablespoons of our crab paste. Okay, just like that. Then we can add our calamari and shrimp. Season it with half of our garlic salt and half of our black pepper. Mix it. So the calamari and the shrimps doesn't have to be cooked for a long time, at least maybe 2 to 3 minutes, because they're already, the shrimps is fully cooked and the calamari doesn't have to be cooked long. So 2 to 3 minutes is good enough. Take out the calamari and the shrimps from the pan. And we are going to add our water, diluted cornstarch in the water. So this is 2 cups water and 2 tablespoons cornstarch mixed. So there we go. So we'll wait for a few minutes until this simmers. So we are going to put the rest of our spices, which is the black pepper, garlic, salt, and then our fish sauce. Okay, let's mix it up. And a little bit of our garlic. And some pork rinds, half of it at least. Okay, that will help also thicken our sauce. Just like that. So the sauce, guys, you can adjust your seasoning according to your liking. It doesn't have to be really salty because we still have to add the pork rind later for garnish. In my case, I add another 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt and half a teaspoon of fish sauce. So now this sauce is ready, and then we can do the plating. So now that our sauce is ready, we can go ahead and drain our noodles. I already drained the noodles. I rinse it quick, and now we can add half of our sauce into our noodles. So we'll mix it up a little bit, and then we can add a little bit of our garlic and a little bit of our pork rind, crushed pork rind. There you go. And then give it a quick mix. So I do this so all the noodles is already flavored and have a little bit sauce. And then now we can transfer this into a plate. Next, we're putting some sauce. And then I'll crush pork rind. And then our shrimps and the calamari. A little bit more of the crushed roasted garlic and our green onions. Last one will be our boiled egg. And then we are going to put some lemon around it. Add some freshly ground black pepper. And there you go. My special, very own Palabok recipe is ready to be served. So this is my way of cooking my palabok. It's not the traditional one. It's really good, very tasty. So yeah, I don't use the annatto powder or annatto seeds for coloring. I use the crab fat to make sauce. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. I highly recommend it to try this recipe. It's really good. It's very different from the usual stuff. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.